What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you how I will repair this headlight. It has the tabs broken off from an accident, and I will show you how I use this repair kit. This is the code and this are the tabs. It comes with 2 screws. It costs about 10 to 15 bucks, and yeah, it should be fine. So this headlight is not an original, it's actually from depot. It's a cheap headlight, but it got the tabs broken. So let me show you how this works. I will take this away. You can see it was glued with silicone. So on the headlight you have these 2 things here. I'm not sure if the original has these. It probably does. So it has these things here that you come with this. It just slides in there like so. The round ones, that's where the screw goes through, and it just slides in here. And that's it. So it should be pretty simple. You just want to make sure that, let me show you closer. Alright, so here you screw these in the holes here and here. Then you have these little things here that should slide in the square holes, you see? So it should go something like that. For some reason it doesn't go all the way in. I'm not sure if that's how it's supposed to be, or maybe I just got a bad one, but it should do the job just fine. And you just screw that in there. Now, technically speaking, you can see that the tabs now will sit a bit to the rear than the original ones. So we will see that later, if the fitment is, alright. Make sure that everything sits properly, and just put those screws in. Okay, I think I see a problem. I have a bit of a fitment problem here, so I will cut this a little bit. Okay. It looks like it's a bit better. I think I will have to cut a bit from here. Oh yeah, and this engine here is from my lawnmower, so stay tuned because I will be posting the second part from my video pretty soon. Right, baby. And I mean, it's not perfect, but considering that the headlight is not an original and this plastic is pretty cheap, I think it will be fine. Don't over tighten the screws because the plastic will just crack. Shining just like sun. Now if you've never taken the headlight off your car, of your Audi A4, it has the 2 screws on the top, but also it has one here at the bottom on the back. This one doesn't have to be unscrewed all the way, you just untighten it and then it just slides. So 3 screws.